kind of flying through it, to be honest. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we're tuning the S4 and it's well overdue. The S4 has actually been tuned for about a month. Kind of kept that as a surprise, kind of didn't. If you guys watched the downpipe install video, I actually did the tune at the end because we needed to code out the check engine light for stage 2. So this is really just a formal review of the actual tune itself. If you guys missed last week's video, the S5 is now E85 tuned with 034 as well. So stage 2 E85, downpipe, exhaust, intake, sway bars. This car is insane. So I said, you know what? I need to have stage 2 on the S4 as well. We got to keep up with the boys. So this car is an absolute ripper. We took this on the rally with stage 293, like we're doing on my car today, and it was absolutely phenomenal. We flew. We had a good time, we were safe, all that business. But enough about that. Ladies and gents, if you guys are new to the channel and want to see more on the S4, more on the S5, stick around, hit subscribe, browse the channel. All the videos are free, so go watch them. We have a ton of modifications and like tuning stuff with 034 on the channel. So if you guys need to like compare stuff, we have the stage 1 tune, which I will put on the screen and also in the description. Both these cars are running the 034 P34 intake. Evan's car is a little more track focused. He has the rear sway bar end links and the rear sway bar in the car. I do not yet. I don't know if I plan to, but I don't track my car. So maybe in a separate video, but for today, we're doing the stage 2 tune. There is a large police presence out where I am right now because of a concert going on across the street. We'll have to figure that out. I might end up stealing the Draggy for a day. Let's get some Draggy times, let's tune the car, and let's hear that new exhaust note because that is something that changed with the downpipe. So downpipe and now with the tune, like it's pretty nuts. I like it a lot. It's not everybody's cup of tea. It's a little poppy, a little burbly, but let's get that fired up and get a few clips. Ladies and gentlemen, a little change of plans. We have traffic backed up forever. Bert Kreischer's in town. I don't know if y'all know who that is, but he has an event, I guess. So like all this traffic, this is actually the road I was gonna do the draggies on. So obviously that's not gonna work. There's a lot going on. Really, really unfortunate. The only like 2-hour span that I wanted to film a video here, it is occupied by this going on. So we will figure that out. Actually kind of have a plan B. The Draggy was not at the shop anyway, so we might go scoop it from Logan and find an alternative place to film this 0 to 60 bit. This is unexpected. impressed with the numbers. 365, 0 to 60 from 034 stage 2, 93 octane file. Honestly, very, very quick. It felt quick driving. that was the first time I've launched this car actually since we did the tune. While the car's been tuned for a little bit, I don't really beat on my car, I'll be honest. I think I've maybe done launch control 7 times ever, and it was when we did the stage 1 file. So 365, 369, and 372. So obviously things were getting hotter and hotter. I did the runs back to back, but very consistent as far as the time. That last one was invalid. I tried going a little bit further down the road just to see if we could get a better time and see if the slope would be whatever. It ended up not working, but the fastest run we did was actually the first run on a positive 2.99% slope. So I thought that was interesting as well. Could we have gotten maybe a quicker time? Yes. If I took out the spare tire, if I took out the detailing stuff in my trunk, if we were on a 0% slope or a negative 0.9% slope, yes, we might have been able to get into like the low 3.6s or high 3.5s. All the times were relatively the same. I think the tune speaks for itself. You can definitely expect to get those times consistently on a daily driver, so that's pretty cool. For comparison, the last video we did, I think Evan's car ran a 3.48 on the E85 file, so I guess there is a difference. If you want to change the fueling, change the tune, you can achieve a little quicker times, but for the sake of the 93 file, I think I'm pretty happy with it. When we did the quarter-mile run, it was in Mexico over somewhere else, and Evan's car didn't quite have the same luxury as far as the space and lack of traffic, so didn't want to make my neighbors too upset with disgustingly illegal run right in front of the house. So it is what it is. If you guys enjoyed today's video, stick around for more. Hit subscribe. I think we're almost at 20,000 subscribers. So if you guys make that happen, I'd be very, very happy. Until next time, ladies and gents, we'll see you.